Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Think you need thousands of dollars to start investing? Think again. In fact, with just $100 a month, you can start building real wealth slowly, steadily, and smartly. Most people wait until they have more, but what if I told you that starting early beats starting big? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get started investing with only $100 per month, what platforms to use, where to invest, and which beginner mistakes to avoid. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. I'm not a licensed financial advisor, and this is not financial or investment advice. Always do your own research or consult a certified advisor before making any financial decisions. With that said, let's dive in. Whether you're completely new to investing or just don't know how to begin with small amounts, this video is your step-by-step guide to getting started confidently and consistently with just $100 per month. Why $100 is enough? Let's kill the myth that small amounts don't matter. The power of compounding means that consistency beats intensity. Here's an example. If you invest $100 every month into an index fund averaging 8% per year, you'll have about $18,000 after 10 years. But leave it for 30 years. That becomes over $150,000. That's the magic of compounding money making money, and then those gains making even more money. So don't wait to have more. Start with what you have. Build your foundation first. Get stable job. To boost your income additionally, you can do some side hustle as well. Then pay off all your debt, starting with those with the highest rate and try not to get into the new ones. And then create an emergency fund before investing. Make sure your financial house is stable. That means having an emergency fund, ideally 3 to 6 months of your living expenses, because investing should be for the long term, not something you dip into when your car breaks down or your washing machine dies. So get your savings in place first. Then invest only what you can afford to leave untouched for years. Are you enjoying the content? Hit subscribe. It's completely free, and you'll get easy-to-follow tips on investing, saving money, and building wealth delivered straight to you. No noise, just real value at no cost. Let's grow smarter together. Next, you'll need a platform or broker. The good news: many now offer fractional shares and zero commission trading, so your $100 goes a long way. Look for no or low fees fractional investing support. Easy-to-use mobile app or dashboard. Popular choices include eToro, trading to 112, DeGiro, and other regional options depending on where you live. Do a little research and pick one that works for you. Now let's talk about where to put that $100. The best strategy for beginners. Keep it simple and diversified. Start with ETFs, exchange-traded funds. These are baskets of stocks that track the market. Great options. S&P 500 ETF like VU or SPY gives you exposure to 500 of the biggest companies. MSCI World ETF, global diversification. Dividend ETFs, if you're after income streams. And if you want to have a little fun, maybe use 10 to 15% of your $100 to invest in a high-conviction stock or trending theme. Just don't go all in. This is about building stability. Automate it and stay consistent. The secret to long-term investing success is consistency. Set up automatic monthly deposits into your brokerage account. Make investing as routine as paying a bill. This is called dollar cost averaging, investing the same amount regularly, no matter what the market is doing. You're buying fewer shares when prices are high and more when they're low, averaging at your cost over time. You don't need to watch the market every day. Just invest and let time do the heavy lifting. Let's wrap up with a few beginner pitfalls you'll want to dodge. Don't chase hype. Just because a stock is trending on TikTok doesn't mean it's a good investment. Don't pull out too early. Market dips are normal. Don't panic sell. Don't invest without a plan. Know your goals. Is this for retirement, a house, or financial freedom? Investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a get-rich-slowly and safely strategy. You don't need to be rich to start investing. You just need to start. Even with just $100 per month, you can build wealth. It's not about timing the market. It's about time in the market. Start today. Your future self will thank you. If all that catches your interest, then here are some additional reading suggestions exactly for you. The Little Book of Common Sense Investing by John C. Bogle, a classic on index fund investing, teaches the philosophy of low-cost, long-term ownership of the market. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, widely considered the ultimate guide to value investing. Praised by Warren Buffett as by far the best book on investing ever written, with enduring lessons on discipline and margin of safety. A Beginner's Guide to the Stock Market by Matthew R. Kratter, a highly accessible 98-page intro focused on basics like trade strategies and key pitfalls. Check the affiliate links in description. If you found this helpful, hit that like button so YouTube shows it to more future investors. And if you want more simple finance strategies, investing tips, and money hacks, subscribe and join the community. Comment below, how are you investing your first $100? Let's share ideas and help each other grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.